This video was intended to inform and educate the public about a critical incident in our community. This video may contain strong language as well as graphic images which could be disturbing to some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. This incident occurred June 22, 2024, Saturday night at approximately 10:31 p.m. in the area of John Street and Hurd Street when a Fort Wayne Police Department officer conducted a traffic stop for a traffic violation. The officer approached the vehicle and observed a gun by the front seat passenger. The officer, fearing for his life and safety, repeatedly ordered the passenger to keep his hands on the dash. The passenger was not complying and kept reaching for the gun after being told numerous times to keep his hands on the dash. The officer, realizing this is a life and death situation, calls for emergency backup and slightly shifts position to get a better view of the suspect and gun. The officer, having a direct view of the gun and suspect, shoots 2 times, striking the suspect as he tries to reach for the gun again. After the shots are fired, the driver is safely removed from the vehicle and the suspect's gun, a Draco AK pistol, is retrieved. The suspect is rendered aid by officers and taken to a local hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Body-worn cameras are used by all officers assigned to patrol and specialty units. Per policy, they are worn in training and manufacturing standards. It is important to note that the camera lens is fixed and does not capture everything seen or experienced by the officer. When activated, both audio and video turn on. The body-worn camera has a buffer of video without audio for 30 seconds prior to activation. This feature is designed to capture incidents that happen suddenly when the officer may not have time to immediately activate the camera.
Hey there.
Hey,
put your hands on the dash.
Yes, sir.
No one reach around, you understand me?
Yes, sir, I understand.
471, I'll take another car, please. 62s. Keep your hands on the fucking dash. You reach down there again and I will shoot you, motherfucker.
That's crazy. Keep it on the dash, bro. What is
Keep them on the fucking dash. Make it 84. Don't reach for that fucking gun or I'll shoot you, you motherfucker.
He's not going to.
Hey, stay back! Don't reach for that fucking gun! Keep your hands on the motherfucking dash!
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Keep your hands! Shots fired, shots fired.
I got you.
Let's get the 62 and get him out.
Where's it at?
On him. It's right down there on his lap.
All right.
Okay?
Yep.
Let's get him out, get the gun.
Hold on. Slide over so we're not crossfire. Slide.
Hey, watch crowd. Get some more cars for crowd control.
Slide. I'm on him.
You hold him. I got 62. There. Put your hands on the dash. No one reach around, you understand me?
Yes, sir, I understand.
471, I'll take another car. On the fucking dash. You reach down there again and I will shoot you, motherfucker.
That's crazy. Keep it on the dash, bro.
Keep them on the fucking dash. Make it 84. Don't reach for that fucking gun or I'll shoot you, you motherfucker.
He's not going to.
Stay back! Don't reach for that fucking gun! Keep your hands on the motherfucking dash!
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Keep your hands! Shots fired.
This incident is subject to both an internal and criminal investigation, which will be reviewed by the Allen County Prosecutor's Office. Conclusions about whether the actions of the officer is consistent with department policy and law will not be made until all facts are known and the investigation is complete.